Welcome the Art channel. Today we how to log into Airtable for managing LinkedIn outreach pipelines, detailed guide step by step clearly. Open your preferred web browser. Type in the Airtable URL, www.airtable.com. Press the Enter key to navigate to the site. Look for the Login button on the top right corner of the homepage. Click on the Login button. You will be directed to a login page. Enter your email address associated with your Airtable account. Click the Next button. If prompted, enter your password in the provided field. Click on the Login button again to access your account. If you've forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link. Follow the instructions to reset your password if necessary. Once logged in, you will be taken to your Airtable dashboard. Locate the base where you manage your LinkedIn outreach pipeline. Click on the base to open it. Inside, you will find all your tables and views related to your outreach efforts. Explore the different sections to familiarize yourself with the layout. You can now manage your LinkedIn outreach pipelines effectively. Make sure to save any changes you make during your session. When finished, log out by clicking on your profile icon in the top right corner. Select the Log Out option from the drop-down menu. Close the browser window once you have successfully logged out. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.